take it, remove it, and this is the heater integrated with the soldering tip. And just insert. Then complete. It's a very easy one and a high heat efficiency, so
first, the robot feeds the first solder. This is pre-solder. Then the tip goes down and touches the workpiece. The first timer is preheating time. Then the robot feeds the second solder.
then going to the differences. Now let me talk about the biggest two differences. First one is the non-contact. So no load on the product. Yep. So do the air blow cleaning and the point by point, the air cylinder is down, up, down, up, down, up. Please.
What about the weldings? You provide two different weldings, right? Blue and red one.
Yes, basically we have a 940 nanos. That is the infrared laser. And the actual yeah.
Can you share the picture?
Of course.